Okay, green stoplight went yellow. If it goes red, there it is. I'm looking now for my second red bar here, which is going to occur. Now I've got a green light. Now red. Now it's red. Okay, there it is. That's my short. Didn't even get it. Red volume, red stoplights, and I'm filled. So now we see what happens here. I will point out that where we're at right now, we're on this exhaustion point here, which potentially is support. But again, to go with my theory, if we're coming off the band, we typically will go through those areas. So I'm looking for a move down to the lower band or 10 ticks here. So let's see if we can possibly get a move down to this lower pivot here, lower band. Now, megaphone patterns, a lot of times they'll end when you get, let's say if we come down here and we see a green breakout diamond forming, they'll end with that kind of a pattern. So this is a new high, new low, new high. So potentially we're coming down to a new low, back down to 233. The market doesn't have to do that, but that's what the pattern's suggesting. At some point it's going to break. In other words, it's not going to always go from new highs to new lows in that range expansion. So we'll turn around here somewhere and come back up. So if we see a green diamond forming down here, then that may be an indication that it may try and turn back up. But we don't have that yet. This is, stoplights are neutral now. That's okay. This is still bearish. This is red, 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 one bar reversal, and looking for it to go back to red like that. Red stoplight again. This is still very, very bearish here. Red stoplight again. So my entry has not changed. The entry picture has not changed. Now you see this. It's counted down. We're going to get a flash. Yellow. If it goes back to red, that's great. Okay, good. So we're still resuming our bearish pattern here. Now we're hitting this 144 pivot, initially bouncing a little bit. Bounced off that pivot initially. Hopefully we'll come back down to this next one. This one I'm not trying to exit right here. I'm going to try to exit on that pivot or even a tick in front of it. Let's see how we bounced off that one. So we get past that, we should hit our target there. That's the next support area. And we're back to a red stoplight on the right. I can tighten my stop to here again. All right, green light on the left. Red stoplights, red bearish volume. I could technically put my exit right here, but I'll just put it right there on that pivot. All right, now we're going into neutral volume here. This is not longer bearish, it's neutral. And we have neutral trend over here as well. We still might come down here, but yeah, back to red, back to red. Okay, good. Okay, so we got our target.